But speaking of lighting up the screen, what are the Chartbuster ideas then? We've got Kunal and Nooresh right back with us to discuss just that. Kunal, what's looking good as your Chartbuster call?
So Aman, it's on Coal India, and I think one of the few PSU stocks which has done exceptionally well in the last 6 odd months. Remember, Coal India is a very low beta kind of a stock, and the stock was meandering at the 200 odd levels for quite some time. But in the last 6 odd months, we've seen very good recovery for Coal India. Now, interestingly, from this 200 to 20 odd zone, which you can see is a major support band for Coal India, we saw the stock showing signs of a very strong candlestick formation in a matter of, I think, 5 odd trading sessions over here. The stock managed to move from 200 to 280. Now, what the stock had shown post that was a strong uptrending move. Now, on the short-term charts, this is the triangular pattern formation which had happened for Coal India. A contracted range from 320 to almost 300 odd rupees for the stock price, which means a breakout of this 320 odd mark could lead to at least 20 points on the upside. So I'm expecting that the stock over the very near term could probably head towards 340 levels, which should be a decent 5% over the very near term for the stock.
Okay, that's the Coal India stock for you as a Chartbuster coming in from Kunal. Nooresh, what about you?
So that's a chart for City Union Bank. The stock has been an underperformer, available at the same prices where it was for the last 3 years back as well. In the last 8 to 12 months, the stock has made multiple bottoms around 115 to 125 zone, 4 bottoms on the downside. On the upside, every time the stock has come to 145, it's again pulled back down to 120 levels. But now for the last couple of months, we've started seeing a higher top, higher bottom formation, and a range breakout has been done in the last 2 sessions. Good volumes yesterday. So I would expect this breakout to actually take it towards 160 and then 200 also. So looking at a short-term trade as well as a medium-term trade, stop loss at 138.
Right, let's talk stocks then. Kunal, what would you recommend?
So SBI Life is something which I would recommend as a buy. Again, a contra perspective because the stock in the last 4-5 days has corrected by more than 50 to 60 points. Now, I would suggest a buy with 1400 as a target, stop loss at 1330. And ITD Cementation is the stock which is heading towards a breakout. Has confirmed a breakout above its 50-day moving average. 242 as a target, stop loss at 222.
All right, and let's get those stock ideas, Nooresh, and find out what exactly you're betting on.
So continuing with the same name, so first is a buy in IndusInd Bank. The stock has continued to show resilience. Stop loss at 1450, target price of 1650. Second is a buy in Power Grid, a new 52-week high today. Could see a follow-up towards 230 levels, stop loss at 207.